Welcome back, painters. So this is going to be a quick video. I'm just playing around with some of that Artist Off iridescent paint that Christina sent me for the challenge video, and mixing it with that acrylic from Langnickel, I think is the name, Essentials. This is that phthalo blue that she sent me. Mix those together, made a really pretty blue sparkly color. Then I'm going to play around with some Colorshift, which is one of my semi-transparent paints, and I'm going to mix it in with the Meoded Crystal brush to get that texture, and just going to add in some Antiquity from Sherwin, a gold color that I mixed together and made. That's just Floetrol. And we're just going to do it on a quick round. So I will see you guys in a second up there. I got everything mixed up now. I have the Meoded and the Color Flash mixed up. And one, I decided to use the Meoded as a base, because when it dries it's going to be a very sandy texture, but it has, I don't know if you guys can see it, like a little gold glitter to it. Try to catch in the light for you. I don't know. Afterwards I'll let you guys see it. Decided to play with that and give that as a base try, and went ahead and grabbed my white and my black as well, because I was looking at the contrast and I felt like with the gray background I needed the black and white, even though I am using some colors. I'm going to do two paintings for you guys, so since I have that already down, I want to do a small cup that I already sprayed down with the silicone spray to help release the paint from here. Okay, and so the two that I'm going to do today, I'm going to do a small one across here and kind of blow it out with a straw, and then this one is just going to be a quick flip cup with the rest, because I realized I make a lot of paint. So I'm going to start with black on the bottom. Then I want this Colorshift with the Meoded next to the black. And all I'm going to do is a quick ribbon pour across. In between there, I'm going to throw in the gold. Then I want the blue. Then this Antiquity yellow. With other colors, this Antiquity yellow comes out slightly on the grayer, like an aged Naples yellow. It's very light, but it has a hint of gray to it. So I'm hoping against the gray, it's going to just be more vibrant Naples yellow instead. Let me get this mixed up so I can move that out of the way. Alright, so with this one, I'm just doing a dirty pour. So, or a flip cup. So let's start with white on the bottom for the flip cup. Make sure there's plenty of light. Okay, so alright, slowly down the center. Keep a little bit in there. When I like to do these, I'll add, if you've watched any of my previous videos, I like to add the paint first, move it around, keeping all that negative space with the Meoded. I'm just going to stretch this one out right now. Alright. Then I like to come back with the second half and do one more pour right down the center. Yeah, there's all that black at the bottom there, so. Alright. Okay, so I'm actually really liking that. I don't know if I want to blow it out, but I want to see how this reacts with the muted. So, give me 1 second. There we go. Much better. Okay. Now, because this muted is going to dry with a very sandy texture, I have no idea how this is going to look. Especially now that I added all that color into the surrounding area. Just trying to get some of that black to come out right here, since it's poking out right here, just to kind of balance. But bring it up for a close up for you guys, so you guys can see. What is going on? I'm really loving that white. Let me hit it with the torch real quick, see what bubbles pop up and if any more cells pop up in here. Since white is heavy, but it is competing with the black and the muted. Meoded, I'm saying, is heavy due to the fact that there are materials and minerals in it. You see that glittery kind of sandy look to it? So it is going to weigh a little bit more heavily than a normal paint will. Oh yeah, a lot of little cells popping up right there. One more time for you. Look at that. Alright, I'm going to move this one aside. And we're just going to do this flip cup real quick. Oh, I really want to see how that Meoded reacts with a flip cup. Here we go. I don't know if you guys can see all of the paint dropping. That's what the silicone does. It helps the paint release from the cup. Now it's all sitting right here. So once I lift this up, it's just going to go. And you've seen this time and time again with Rio and Anne-Marie and Christina and all of them. Push and pull. Don't linger on top because it's going to drip everything onto this area. Ooh, my eye love. That's the one satisfying thing about doing paint pours. The amount of detail that comes out in color. Bring that to the center. I'm just going to rock this back and forth. Make sure all the sides are covered. Corners are good. Alright. Get these gloves off and I'll take you guys so you guys can see some of that detail. I'm excited to see that iridescent blue and how the Meoded dries with that textural sandy finish. Get these gloves off, hit it with the torch, and I think I am done with both of them. A little experiment. Now let's bring you guys in. I wish you guys, one day I'll get a better camera so I can actually show you the detail and the glitter that comes through. Right now my camera isn't going to give you too much, so I do apologize. But let me know what you guys think. I know I've been doing a lot more of the drawing and the embellishing videos lately, but here you guys are. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, throw this up on Pinterest if you want. All of it helps, it really does. Also, the GoFundMe is still going on. All the links will be below. Christina and I are hoping to get that up and going and ready by the end of this month, beginning of next month, so I can get out there and we can do that 3-day collab. Also, keep an eye out for the challenge videos for all of you in her live tonight. You got a little information on it, but if you're interested in doing the challenge videos as well, the links will be in there. Also keep an eye out on Rio and Stace's videos as well. She is interested in joining in on those challenge videos, so it'll be fun to bring in all the different YouTube artists into these. So yeah, you guys have a great night. All right, bye.